Hey viewers, I am Kajul and you watching Tech Passport, and today I am show you Garuda Linux Ultimate, and you can see here I am in the Garuda Linux website, and I am download already the ISO from this website, and let's go to see what's inside the Garuda Linux Unlimited, and what's inside and first group. So let's go to. Viewers, I'm already download the ISO and host it with my VMware.